In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple to-do list in Notion. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool for organizing your thoughts, tasks, and projects. Whether you're new to Notion or a seasoned pro, creating a to-do list is a fundamental skill that can help you keep track of your tasks efficiently. So let's dive in and get started with setting up a basic to-do list in Notion. The first thing we need to do is open up Notion on your device. Once you're in, you're going to notice a paper pen icon located at the bottom left of the Notion workspace. This is your starting point. Go ahead and click on this icon. It allows you to create a new page, which will serve as the home for your to-do list. If you're unable to find this icon, make sure that your sidebar is expanded by clicking the toggle in the upper corner, just to give yourself the best view of your workspace. With the paper pen icon clicked, a pop-up will appear prompting you to select what kind of new content you'd like to create. Now, you'll want to click where it says Page within this pop-up menu. This action will create a new blank page for you. Think of this page as your digital notebook, a blank canvas ready for your tasks and your thoughts. Next, it's time to tell Notion exactly what type of list you want to make. So, type in the command /to-do list into your new page. This is a nifty shortcut in Notion that triggers a menu of various features, including several types of lists you might want to create. You'll see a menu pop up giving you various options, confirming that it has recognized your command. Within this menu, click on To-Do List. This selection transforms your blank page into a to-do list, providing you with checkboxes next to each line where you can list your tasks. These checkboxes are a handy way to visually track your progress by allowing you to mark items as complete with a simple click. Once you've selected the to-do list format, you're now ready to start typing your tasks. Begin by typing in each of your tasks on a new line. The beauty of Notion is in its flexibility. You can reorganize items, add new ones at any time, or nest tasks for subcategories or related items. As you complete each task, simply click the checkbox next to it to mark it as done. And there you have it, a simple yet effective to-do list in Notion. From here, you can add more complex elements like deadlines, tags, or even link this list to other pages within Notion if needed. But at its core, you now have a clear and organized way to track your daily tasks. Don't forget to revisit your list often and keep it updated, as that's the key to staying organized. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.